I've always been drawn to Saturn, a planet of rings and secrets. But one of its moons hides a mystery unlike any other. Out here, orbiting the giant, drifts a frozen world named Dione, scarred, fractured. What force could split this moon open, carving chasms deep into solid ice?
Some say Dione once hid a secret ocean. Others, that Saturn's gravity tore it apart from within. Today, we journey to uncover the truth behind.
Our story begins centuries ago, in 1684, when Giovanni Cassini first spotted a tiny moving dot near Saturn.
He called it Saturn the fourth moon he could trace around the planet. He couldn't have known its true beauty. Nearly 200 years later, John Herschel would give this small world its mythic name, Dione, the Titaness, mother of Aphrodite.
A name born from legend, now bound forever to a frozen moon of Saturn.
For centuries, Dione was just a point of light.
For the first time, we saw its surface, a realm of scars, craters, and mysterious bright streaks stretching across the ice.
Voyager captured immense impact basins, the largest named Evander Prisla, 350 kilometers across.
But what caught everyone's eye were the strange luminous marks, the so-called wispy terrains, unlike anything seen before.
Voyager's glimpse was brief, but it left us hungry for answers. What were these streaks? Why did Dione bear such wounds? 2 decades later, humanity built a new explorer, Cassini, named after the man who first discovered Dione.
Its mission: to unveil the secrets of Saturn and its many moons.
In 2004, Cassini arrived at Toveling and began a 13-year odyssey that would rewrite everything we knew.
During several close flybys, Cassini came within just 99 kilometers of Dione's surface.
It revealed what Voyager never could. Those wisps were in fact enormous ice cliffs of Ono, the scars of global stress. They called them chasmata, vast fractures slicing through the crust, some deeper than the Grand Canyon itself.
The greatest of them all, Palatine Chasmata, stretches over 600 kilometers across the frozen surface.
In some places, the cracks even cut through craters, proof that Dione's surface was reshaped long after ancient impacts.
Cassini's instruments revealed Dione's structure, roughly 40% rock and 60% ice.
At minus 187 degrees Celsius, ice behaves like stone.
Half the surface remains pocked by ancient impact cement, the other half smooth, as if renewed by hidden forces beneath.
Could Dione once have been alive inside, reshaping itself from within?
Some scientists believe these fractures formed as the moon cooled and its crust stretched and cracked under pressure.
Others think an ancient ocean once lay beneath. As it froze, the expanding ice tore the crust apart, splitting the moon open. And then there's Saturn itself, Prolf, its gravity pulling and squeezing Dione in a constant cycle of stress.
Every orbit, that invisible grip flexes the moon's icy shell, creating heat.
As I studied Dione's orbit, I discovered a delicate dance, a 2-1 resonance with another world, Enceladus.
Every time Dione completes one orbit, Enceladus makes 2. Their rhythm is ancient, their connection powerful. That resonance tugs on Dione, flexing its icy shell, tiny motions that generate warmth deep inside.
Cassini's sensors soon detected something strange, a faint magnetic signal hinting at something conductive beneath the surface.
Could there be a salty ocean hidden beneath kilometers of ice? A silent sea frozen in time?
If true, Dione joins a family of ocean worlds, distant places where liquid water,
But unlike Enceladus with its erupting plumes, Dione's ocean, if it exists, sleeps quietly below, unreachable, unseen.
No vents, no geysers, no obvious signs of activity. Yet every fracture tells the story of motion beneath the ice.
When Cassini ended its mission in 2017, we lost our eyes around Saturn fared, and with them, our chance to know more.
All that we know of Dione comes from just two visitors. Brief encounters separated by decades.
But the story isn't over. Future explorers are being dreamed into existence. Missions that may return to Dione once more.
One concept, the Enceladus orbiter, could pass by Dione many times, mapping its fractures in exquisite detail.
Called JET would explore Saturn's moons together and perhaps finally uncover what lies beneath Dione's crust. Imagine a lander here, its instruments melting through ancient ice, reaching down toward what may once have been an ocean. Hard to imagine now, but this silent world may once have been alive, moving, shifting, reshaping itself from within.
The chasmata, these immense scars, are more than fractures. They are history written into ice.
The contrast between hemispheres reveals Dione's dual nature, ancient and young, battered and reborn. Each orbit keeps it locked in Saturn's embrace, forever showing the same face, forever pulled by the same unseen hand. Together, these moons form a cosmic symphony, gravitational notes shaping their evolution, each one influencing the next.
And within that harmony, Dione's melody is soft, a fractured echo of frozen time.
I imagine how it must have sounded. Ice groaning under strain, mountains splitting as the world reshaped itself.
Even now, Dione is not dead. Beneath the quiet surface, the memory of motion remains.
Around Saturn, over 200 moons orbit Kai, each one a chapter in the story of creation.
This fractured moon reminds us that even in cold silence, the universe is never still. This fractured moon reminds us that even in cold silence, the universe is never still. These worlds challenge everything we thought we knew about life, heat, and energy in the far reaches of the solar system. Cassini's last gift was a promise that even a dying mission can spark new questions for generations to come.
And now it's up to us of the next generation of trails, to answer what Cassini could only begin to ask.
As I watch it drift through Saturn's glow, I can't help but feel this world still has stories left to tell. We've come so far, yet there's so much more to explore ahead, out there and within ourselves.